I'm not afraid to fail. And I think that's what racing teaches you, because it's mostly failure, correct? My name is Jim Greenheck. CTech is a company that was started to build cabinets for race trailers. And we have since morphed into more of a manufacturing company, using racing as our marketing point. That's what drives our marketing, is racing.
We were bred in the racing industry. It was really formed around Jim's ideas on how to make a cabinet for a race trailer better than anything that was out there. I think that DNA is just ingrained in our culture here. We're never satisfied with what we have currently. It's always looking at the next thing, just like any racer would think. So we're really proud of that culture, and everybody here that's employed here is excited for those challenges and what that has brought to the company for our product lines and our markets.
Because of the way we manufacture and design, we're very flexible in our designs. And so a company came to us, we need a drawer unit to go in a nuclear-powered submarine. How'd you find out about us? A racer on the base told them. And they came to us because no one else would build the drawer unit to fit through the hole. And because of our flexibility, we can build any size cabinet within reason without a lot of overhead involved. So the flexibility of working with us, we can take requests. We've been in the hospital industry, we've been in racing, we probably own 90% of the sports car market.
We've had a project we've been running for almost 10 years now with the NFL group, where we built sideline carts for each of the stadiums. We're
Getting into IndyCar a little bit. We just did a series of big carts for a conveyor company that puts in conveyors. Every day is a new adventure here.
We're basically building aluminum storage solutions, so whatever you need organization in, I mean, that's really what we provide when you boil it down to the essence.
You might have to cut this, but I got a C in sheet metal in college. You aren't going to make it. I'm sorry. And that's been my motto. You can't do it. Jim, that can't be done. And I'm like, well, I'm sorry, I'm going to take a shot. I'm not afraid to fail. And I think that's what racing teaches you, because it's mostly failure, correct? You aren't winning every weekend. So you have to work very, very hard to overcome that. So when you do win something, it's way more meaningful. So perseverance probably trumps almost anything else as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, we'd like to think we're a premium product, and when they decide to purchase CTech, it's an investment that's going to last them a lifetime and sometimes multiple lifetimes. So we're proud of that aspect of our product, and we plan to continue to design it and build it that way.
This business probably wouldn't be here without PRI. It has built our business, not just in racing, but outside of racing also. There's a lot of people that come to PRI outside of racing and look at what's going on, or they're racers that are outside of racing, their businesses. So PRI has been very important to the growth of this company.
I am Mike Greenheck.
I am Jim Greenheck.
And I am
PRI.